Okay, so I'm going to work on this return on investment example. So return on investment, I'm going to refer to as the ROI. And basically to calculate it, you do the profit divided by, excuse me, the amount invested. Okay, so on example number 1, Bob bought 35 shares of stock at $23.75 per share. A year later, he sold them for $26.05 a share. How much profit did he make, and what was his return on investment? So first, let's figure out the purchase price, how much money he spent or invested. So his purchase price, he bought 35 shares at $23.75 each. So he spent $831.25. His sell price, that should be the other kind of sell, S-E-L-L, because he sold them. So his sell price is going to be 35 times 26.05. So $911.75, which means, so to calculate his profit now, we're going to want to do, we're going to want to subtract these. So for his profit, so he sold them for this much after he bought them for this much a year prior. His profit is going to be $911.75 minus $831.25, which is going to be $80.50. So from here we calculate his return on investment. So this problem asks for two parts. How much was the profit did he make? We just got that. And then his return on investment. So his ROI is the profit, so $80.50, divided by the amount invested, that's how much you paid for it, how much he put in out of his pocket, $831.25, so this is about 0.097, if I round it, which is 9.7%. So he almost made 10% back in a year on this investment. Okay. Number 2, Julie bought 40 shares of stock at $28 per share. The company paid dividends of $1.50 per share last year. How much profit did she make, and what was her ROI? So the company, remember, they just pay you dividends. She didn't sell these stocks, so it's a little bit different here. So her purchase price is going to be 40 stocks times $28. So $1,120 is how much Julie is putting in. Look at this. So then her profit in dividends, that's the only way she's making profit so far because it didn't say anything about selling. So is $1.50 per share. She has 40 shares. And and she makes $1.50 on each share. So her profit is $60. And then so her ROI, her return on investment, is that $60 divided by how much she spent, $11.20. About 0.054 if I round to there. If you want to use more decimals, that's fine. And this is 5.4%. Okay, and finally here on number 3, it says John bought 50 shares of stock at $16.24 per share. This year he received a total dividends of $67.36. At the end of the year, his stock was valued at $20.65 per share. What is his return on investment? So, same first steps, his purchase price, he bought 50 shares of this stock at $16.24. So he spent $812. The end of the year value, so this would be kind of if he sold it right now. It would be 50 times 2065. $1,032.50. So his gain in value, again, this would be if he sold it. It's not quite a profit yet. Maybe he's considering what it would be. We subtract those to get $220.50. So the total profit, again, he got dividends and this gain in value if you were to sell it, would be $220.50 minus $67.36. Or plus, not minus, I'm sorry. So $287.85. 86 cents. I plugged that in wrong. Sorry, that's a 6. So then his ROI is $287.86 divided by the amount he invested, or his purchase price, $812. About 0.355 or 35.5%. Okay, so these examples should help you on your 10-5 worksheet. And there are a couple of other examples on there that will kind of be the same thing.